Hello and welcome to another video of WordPress series. In this video I will show you how you can install WordPress on a local host and set up your website. So open the control panel of XAMPP and click on admin against MySQL. It will open localhost/phpMyAdmin. First you need to go and click on new. We are going to make new database. Click new and enter database name. I will say my WordPress and click on create. Okay, so our database has been created. Now again open new tab, enter localhost/my WordPress. Remember, this name is same as our name we created in the XAMPP folder, htdocs. So we check first up what is our name, and this is my WordPress and my WordPress. Okay, click enter. It will take some time. And during that time, if you like our video and want to watch more videos like this, please share and like video and subscribe to channel Tech and Development. And we are going to make more videos on WordPress that make you skilled in WordPress development. I will show you some of the websites that are offering free website hosting and domain, but they have always drawbacks as well. So this is WordPress setup configuration. Click select your language. I am going with English and continue. Okay, so click on let's go. Remember, you have to enter same database name as you just created. So in my case it's my WordPress. My username is root and no password, localhost, and click submit. Click on run the installation. Okay, so on this page we have to enter our site title, the title that show our site name. So we say WordPress, my WordPress. Okay, fine. Enter your username. I am going with admin and admin. Definitely when you make your website publish on a good hosting website, then you need to make your username password such that no one can hack your website. I would say confirm weak password. Enter your email and install WordPress. Okay, thanks, and our WordPress has been installed successfully. Click on login. Okay, and now admin. Click login. And we are logging successfully. So this is our dashboard of WordPress. You can say a backend area of WordPress where we control everything. So yes, this is our menu. We can add as more options by installing plugins and themes and other options. So yes, click on visit site and it will go to our default theme that WordPress has created for us. So in the next videos we will go through each of this menu and show you how you can use them for your own site. So if you like this video, like and share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.